Ito ang Mornings with GMA Regional TV.
After bagging the title of First Princess in the 7th season of Starstruck in 2019, she gained her fame and appeared in GMA's various programs. And with the passion and talent, she released her debut single entitled Something in the Rain. Let's get to know more about this song, mga kapuso. Please welcome rising Kapuso Star, Lexi Gonzales! What's up, Lexi, and welcome to Mornings with GMA Regional TV.
Hi! Good morning!
Nako, thank you for your time, Lexi, ha? So, eto na. So, given our not-so-normal situation, what does a typical day look like for you? And of course, how are you adjusting to these times?
Well, mahirap talaga kasi marami kang kailangan tandaan like face shield, face mask, and dapat may dala tayong extra na face mask kasi yung face mask na ginagamit natin, hubad, tanggal, nadudumihan din siya. So, okay na merong extrang face mask and of course, alcohol sa bag. Part na yan ng daily life ko.
Ito naman, Lexi, ha? What first got you into music and did you have a particular artist that inspired you to take the path in music?
Well, ako, I really wanted to sing naman. Nung nag-start ako mag-showbiz, I also wanted to try singing and to create music. But na-surprise din ako and nabigla din ako that GMA Playlist gave me the opportunity to create my own music. I'm really, really happy. And one of my favorite singers is Taylor Swift, Selena Gomez, because women empowerment, diba?
Yes.
Kaya natin yan.
But of course, you gained your fame after joining Starstruck. What's the most important lesson you have learned from your Starstruck journey?
Yes. I'm really, really thankful na nagkaroon ako ng chance maging part ng Starstruck. I learned a lot when it comes to performing, of course, yung pinakaunang-una, and yung importance ng work. Kumbaga, there are some certain ethics and certain practices na hindi pwedeng kalimutan, and natandaan ko yun because of Starstruck kasi talagang nahasa kami, sinanay kami.
Nako, Lexi, we're all excited to talk about your debut single. How does it feel to be releasing Something in the Rain?
Well, I'm really, really happy because I think everyone will relate to this song. It's a feel-good, chill, and medyo malamig na kanta. Perfect for the amihan season right now.
Yes!
Kaya naman, I'm just really excited and I can't wait to hear everyone's feedback.
Ay, gusto ko yan! Pero ano ba yung favorite line mo sa kantang ito?
Well, dalawa ang aking favorite parts ng kanta. The chorus na there's something in the rain that makes me wanna come back running. And yung first part na dito ako nakaka-relate na daily na raindrops cling to my window as I sit at my favorite cafe spot and I look back to the memories that we got. So, yon. Basta ako, go-to ko yan coffee shop after work. Dadaan akong Starbucks, magda-drive-thru. O kaya, alright, after work, timpla akong kape. Bago ako pumunta sa taping, titimpla akong kape. So that's me. Lalo na pag maulan, magbabaon pa ako ng kape. I'm that type of person. And well, since nostalgic nga siya na kanta for me, depende sa kung anong nararamdaman ko or pinagdadaanan ko. Pero there are certain feelings that I want to go back to. Kaya, ayun.
Grabe ka, Lexi. Alam mo, habang kumakanta ka, ay, ang lamig ng boses niya. Coffee, please, guys! O, diba? Ang galing! Ang ganda rin ng kanta, ha? Very relaxing nga. But of course, congratulations sa'yo, Lexi, ha? Lastly, ano pa ang dapat abangan ng ating mga kapuso dito sa North Central Luzon sa'yo? At saang music streaming platforms ba namin pwedeng i-download ang Something in the Rain?
Of course, All Out Sundays, every Sunday po yan, 12 noon. And Something in the Rain is now out on all digital platforms worldwide. You can listen to it on Spotify, YouTube Music, and Apple Music, and it's also available on iTunes.
For sure! Have a great day, Lexi, and stay safe!
Thank you! Stay safe, everyone!
Diyan lang po kayo mga kapuso. Magbabalik ang mornings with GMA Regional TV.
Ito ang Mornings with GMA Regional TV.